Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of this AEG 8000 series washing machine, the L8FBE961R. I'm going to call it the L8 for short. Before I start, a big thank you to AO for sending this to me to review, and an equally big thank you to their delivery guys, who made light work of getting this heavy machine into our house. As you can see, the L8 is a really good looking appliance, with a big door that lets you see what's going on inside the drum, and an elegant curve to the fascia that makes it a lot more attractive than our old flat-fronted machine. The curve also makes it easy to read the digital display without needing to crouch down, which is great for those of us with creaky knees. To begin with, I should point out that one of the big selling points of the L8 is the smart way it uses the minimum power and water necessary to do a wash. It's rated A+++ for energy consumption and A for spin drying efficiency, which are both top ratings. So if your existing machine is rated lower, then the L8 is pretty much guaranteed to reduce your energy bills. It's also been awarded a green wool mark label, which is the new version of the old platinum one. Essentially, it means that the machine has been independently tested and proved to be as or more gentle than hand washing, as well as both energy and water efficient. We've had this machine for just over a week, so we've only used 4 of the available programs. But before I put a load in, I thought I'd just run through them all and tell you a bit about some of them. The first is cottons, which is for both white and coloured cottons and has the option of a 40 or 60 degree wash. There's synthetics, delicates, and one for woolen and silk items. Then there's a steam programme. According to the manual, this can be used to reduce creases and odours on dried, washed and worn once laundry. We tried it on half a dozen crumpled up cotton shirts that we took from the ironing basket, and to be honest, apart from them being a bit damper, we didn't really see that much of a difference. Maybe they were too dry or too creased. I reckon we'll need to give it another go before deciding whether it's worth using or not. The next programme is unique to AEG. It's their Eco Power programme. It's a 59-minute wash which is designed for everyday laundry. It uses their EcoMix technology, which pre-mixes the detergent and softener with water before they enter the drum. AEG claims that this ensures even distribution throughout your garment's fibres, resulting in a great wash in a short time. We've used this program twice now, and the results are really impressive. And thanks to the 1600 RPM spin speed, the washing comes out nearly dry. Do bear in mind though that even though the drum takes 9 kilos of washing, the Eco Power program is limited to a maximum load of 5 kilos, which is fine for a daily wash, but maybe not so much if you let your washing pile up until the end of the week. Next is the anti-allergy program. This raises the temperature over 60 degrees for part of the washing time to kill off bacteria and other microorganisms. It also adds an extra rinsing cycle to remove any detergent residue or pollen grains. There's a 20-minute 3 kilo program for washing lightly soiled, worn once items of clothing, an outdoor program for synthetic gym and cycling gear, and for waterproof or water repellent fabrics. This can also be used to restore the water repellent coating on garments. You just have to add a special liquid to the fabric softener drawer pre-wash. And finally, there's the duvet program, which allows you to wash your duvet or bedspread. Right, let's load some washing into the drum. I've chosen the 59-minute Eco Power program at 40 degrees with a spin speed of 1600. One thing to note, if you use powder detergent, you'll need to pull out the dispenser drawer, then you have to flip over this grey flap. I'm using liquid detergent so I can leave it down. I'll just press the start button and the machine's ProSense load detection will begin to calculate how much washing is in the drum. This takes about 30 seconds. If the drum's overloaded, the display will flash max and you have 30 seconds to hit pause and take out 1 or 2 items. If you don't, no need to worry, the program will still run, but you won't get the best results from your wash. While we're waiting for the washing cycle to start, I should just mention that many of the program settings can be tweaked using the options menu. So for instance, you can alter the temperature of the wash, the spin speed, you can activate a rinse hold and a quiet option, you can add a pre-wash for heavily soiled laundry and a steam and anti-crease phase at the end of the wash. You can also delay the start of the program from between 2 and 20 hours. Oh, and there's a child lock feature to prevent tiny hands from playing with the control panel, which is really useful if you've got kids in the house. Right, program started. We'll come back later to see the results. Okay, the hour's nearly up. That's the door unlocking and the beeps to tell you that the program's finished. Let's take a look at the results. It's probably difficult for you to see, but these t-shirts are really clean, which I think is impressive for such a short wash. Well done, Airco Power. Apart from a very minor quibble regarding the effectiveness of the Steam program, we're absolutely delighted with the way this machine both looks and performs. Whether you've got a pile of muddy sports gear or a favourite merino wool jumper that needs washing, this machine has a program that will handle it efficiently and economically. And that's why I'd happily award the L8FBE961R from AEG 5 stars. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review useful. Bye!